My workout is done. It's lunchtime now. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my fluent life. I just wake up around 7:30 a.m. Today I'm going to share my whole day with you from morning to afternoon. You will see how I practice English in my daily routine. So let's begin this beautiful day.
A few moments later.
Hey friends, I just come to the rooftop for my workout. Now I will show you how I do my exercise. Hi, my workout is done. Now I'm going to take a shower. So see you after that. Hi, I'm sitting with my notebook right now. Oh, one more thing. I currently study in class 11. So I try to study a bit every day. And today I will focus on English subject. As you can see, now I will spend some time with my notebook and let's see how much I can finish. It's lunchtime now. I have going to have my meal. I am eating rice now with fried potato and pointed gourd and brinjal curry.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, it's afternoon now around 4 p.m. and the weather is so peaceful. The sky looks so beautiful. I wanted to share this moment with you because it feels so calm and refreshing, and everything looks quiet around here. Alright friends, that's the end of today's vlog. I did my workout and had my lunch and studied a bit. Now I am ending the day with this peaceful view. As you can see, wait. Thank you for being with me and see you in the next one.